a cool little rock shelf road. If everyone has rooftop tents, it's probably fine, but there's a couple of other offshoots that we can visit. So just come and scout around for a minute.
Hey, hey, hey. Good to see you.
You too.
How long have you guys been here?
I've been here since about 4:30. Eddie's been here for a while before that.
Okay. Is that bad? Is your wife with you?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
She's up hiking. They went hiking up to the rock.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Yeah, it's neat that you got a camp spot like right here.
Perfect.
Right next to the rock. Okay. Just gonna go find somewhere to set up. I got through. Damn it.
No, not anymore, it doesn't, but
Yeah.
it definitely felt over 100. Does it go by?
This is where our Utah trip officially begins. The official start to the Utah Backroad Discovery Route.
Hey guys! Okay, so yeah, we're missing other John, but I'm gonna repeat his thing that this is not a club or a group, this is just a Facebook page. We all just happen to meet up here and we're all just gonna happen to hit the same trail together.
So this channel is all about using the activity of overlanding or car-based camping to better experience the outdoors. If this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you could please do me a favor, hit the like button and leave a comment. I would really appreciate it.
Left turn. So who's currently in the rear?
This is JonDZ. I'm taking tail right now. I got sweet. So this is Valley of the Gods Road, and it's a really smooth dirt road that any vehicle could traverse when it's dry. There was a sign at the beginning that said impassable when wet, and I would totally heed the warning because Utah dirt is real silty. If you get in Utah mud, you could be in trouble. A few miles in and you can see the ginormous rock formations and buttes in the distance. This trail is a total of 20 miles and it ends with a climb up a paved switchback road. More on that later. It's going to be the finale of this trail.
I got your channel.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah, Pat Kane. I probably left you a few comments on it.
Yeah, no, I totally know who you are.
Yeah, this is an easy rig to recognize.
Well, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, it's a good sized crowd.
Yeah.
Are y'all on the way up?
I don't know. We're just been doing this loop.
Yeah.
But,
oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I just came down the Dugway and then I'd camped last night on one of the cliff faces up there. It's pretty nice.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I like your setup
Yeah.
with the adventure bike. One recommendation I have is to spend time at the top of this road. I'd also explore the little offshoot trails just as you get to the top, because I'm pretty sure they're going to lead to an epic cliff view, and according to Pat Kane, he said he camped out on a cliff overlooking the valley, and that just sounds epic. I was trying to radio in to ask the group if they wanted to kind of pull over to the right to potentially get that epic cliff view. It was a missed opportunity, but we went on this little trail. It was somewhat fun, and it was just a great place to have a picnic. Dark Star is needing a hose clamp. I think Ed has it. Ed's a mechanic. He has his own shop, repair shop. Dark Star Overland was having issues with his brake line. I guess it got severed somehow, and he was needing a hose clamp to just kind of tie it down. Luckily, the town of Blanding was just under 50 miles away from where we were, and he was able to get his brakes repaired.
We'll be on the lookout for cell service and try and check in with you when we can. Yeah, if you need help, just send a text message. It'll show up probably when we get service again.
Yeah, John, keep us updated. Whatever, no matter what happens, just let us know what happens.
Definitely, I'll check you guys in the group check.
So is this part of the Valley of the Gods loop?
I think technically it is, yes, but I'm not 100% sure. Should have wrapped around on the other side of the area that we looped.
This part of the trail is called the Snow Flats Road. According to trailsoffroad.com, this is part of their Valley of the Gods loop, and this part of the trail would be the reason why it's considered a level 2 out of 10. That number does sound low, but a level 3 to 4 out of 10 would be severe or difficult for all-wheel drive. I would consider this trail moderate difficulty for a stock all-wheel drive. This trail, I totally recommend it. The first part of the trail, really is kind of boring, but now it's interesting, and the views are awesome. All right, so the trail is really reminding me of Moab. This is a level 2 trail, and you know what? That's really important for people to know. So if you have like a stock crossover, something like this might be very uncomfortable to you. This is still considered easy for 4-wheel drive, but we're having to take it slow. I mean, I guess we could romp through it, but then that would be unwise. Chance to pop a tire. Small section of really deep sand. Oh yeah. I guess he's right. Can't really see. There we go.
Dark Star, we're on the section of the trail now that's heading directly south, so I don't think we're too far out from the main highway.
All right, well, we're almost done with the trail. You can see in the distance, you can see the highway. So with every single video I make, I want you, the viewer, to be able to walk away with something profound. But quite honestly, I really don't have anything for you in this episode, and I apologize. There just really was nothing worth mentioning, except that I did visit Monument Valley, and that place was very commercialized, large parking lot with a visitor center. And I personally like visitor centers. I like being able to read into the history. I like viewing all the different artifacts they have on display. But if you want a more pure overlanding experience, skip Monument Valley and just go check out Valley of the Gods. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, have fun on your adventures.